Welcome back, children. I hope you have understood our first chapter, that is Know Your Computer System. Now it's time to move on to our next chapter, that is Graphical User Interface GUI. Here we go. GUI. GUI stand for Graphical User Interface. G for graphical, U for user, and I for interface. If you read this letter GUI, it pronounced as GUI. Before understanding what is GUI and how it's work, first we have to understand the meaning of GUI, that is Graphical User Interface word. First, we will understand about the word graphical. Graphical comes from the word graphics, and the meaning of graphic is images or pictures, which we can see in our computer system that there are lots of pictures. And the second word is user interface. Now first we will understand what is the meaning of user. User means a person who uses computer. And then what is the meaning of interface? Interface we can say with the word bridge, pull. Okay. So, and what is the use of pull? To establish the communication, to join the two corners. Okay. Same work performed by the GUI. It establishes the communication between user and device through images, between user and device through pictures. Now, definition of GUI. It is a type of user interface that allows user to interact with electronic devices such as mobiles, tablets, etc. through pictures. Suppose children, you have to work on a computer which has no image, no colors, and only lines are given over there. So it will be easy to you to understand the computer. No, it will be not easy to you to understand the computer. So images help us to understand what we are doing in the computer system. That's why nowadays GUIs are very useful. Can you tell me how you use your mobiles or phone? By clicking and by touching. So GUI are usually operated by hands or finger. It senses our work only by clicking or touching. Now our next topic is menu driven applications. In menu driven applications, the user gets a set of menus as choices, out of which user can pick any option as per the requirement. In other words, we can say that there are several menus on a single device and we can choose that menus according to our need. In other words, it takes input from the user, whatever user presses or clicks, and operates the function to complete the action. GUI supports menu driven applications. Now there are some examples of menu driven applications. Those are ATM, MP3 player, mobile phones, cable TV, washing machine, induction stoves. Because these devices are several menus, several buttons which helps to operate the device and do our work. So all the devices are operated by touching or clicking the buttons. We will see the examples of GUI operating system. Operating system means the system which helps to operate the computer. Here three names are given. First is Windows, second is Linux, and third one is Mac, that is Macintosh. This operating system uses the GUI. Now features of GUI. Window. The screen is divided into area called window. It is used to perform multiple tasks at a time. This means that we can do several work on a single time. That means that we can play music also at a time when we are typing on the document. Icons. Icons are a small picture used to represent commands, files or window. This means that icons are the small pictures which used to open the application. As example, if you want to use YouTube, we will click on the YouTube icon. One is menus. Menus allow user to make selection from the screen. And the last one is pointer. Pointer are the little arrow that used to selecting icons, menus, etc. So with the help of Windows icons menu pointer, we can use the GUI very easily. Now, GUI is also called WIMP, which I have already told. Windows, icons, menus, pointer. W of Windows, I of icons, M for menu, and P for pointer. These are the important part of GUI. That's why GUI supports menu-driven applications. How does a user interact with GUI? User means I or you which are using the computer system. A pointing device such as mouse is used by the user to interact with GUI. Not only mouse, keyboard or other input device can also be used to interact with GUI. It means we can use the GUI devices by any pointing device or by any input device, that is keyboard or mouse. Here three common pointing devices given. First one is mouse, second one is stylus, and third one is light pen. You have seen mouse, okay? Mouse is used for clicking in our computer system. Now I'll tell you the difference between stylus and light pen. Stylus is used to selecting the icons on our computer, mobiles or any device. Light pen is same as pencil. We can write with the pencil on the page. Same with the light pen, we can write on the computer. We can write direct our words to the computer digitally. Now we will take a quick recap of this video in which we have learned about the GUI, what is the work of GUI, menu driven application, some menus driven application based devices, examples of GUI operating system, features of GUI, WIMP that is window icon menu pointer, and how user interact with GUI. Children, now we have finished the first topic of the chapter 2, that is GUI. Hope you have understood the topic. Now it's time to solve worksheet. We will meet with the next topic. Thank you.